What's up, guys? Welcome back to GB Everywhere. So today we're going paragliding in Chichamocha Canyon. The bus is about to come pick me up in a few minutes, and then we'll be on our way. So let's go. Alright guys, made it to the paragliding place. Hopefully it's not too windy or dusty, because it looks dusty and I want a good view for my videos. But we'll see. Let's go. So I'm back from the paragliding. It was really cool. I did get kind of sick up there. Well, I felt like I was gonna get sick, but I didn't. Yeah, like at first, when I first signed up, they say you could pay 50,000 pesos extra and they'll do tricks in the air. But once I got in the air, I told them like, nah, let's cut that, because I didn't want to get sick. But yeah, it was awesome views up there. It goes really, really high. It goes a lot higher than I thought it does. But yeah, so that was paragliding in Chichamocha Canyon. It's 200,000 pesos, which is like $50, and that includes like Well, actually just includes the transportation. You have to pay extra to use the GoPro, but I already had my own, so bring your own GoPro. They'll let you borrow the selfie stick for free. But yeah, so we're back. Thanks for checking out GB Everywhere. Make sure you go and like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.